Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access display and brightness. Following that, click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on this little icon located on the right of your brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. You can switch it off by tapping on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!